In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to delete conversations in ChatGPT in Windows. Every chat that you make with the chatbot is recorded in the conversations list. So the first things first, let's head over to ChatGPT. Once you open up your ChatGPT, you can see on the left hand side all of the chats that you made. Whenever you enter in any new chat, the chats are automatically recorded. And it also has the topic of it. Now there are two things that you can do. You can either delete them individually. If it is a recent chat that you made, you can just click on this trash can icon, or if you want to edit the topic, you can also do it. But to delete it, you can just click on this option and click on this tick button. And that particular topic or that conversation will be removed. But in order to delete every chat all at once, you just click on clear conversations. Click on confirm, and as you can see, all of the conversations have been deleted all at once. So that's the process on how to delete chat conversations in ChatGPT in your Windows device. I hope this video helped you out. If this video was helpful, subscribe and give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.